Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, the door is sagging. Don't know if you've seen it in other videos. The driver's door is sagging. So I'm going to fix that problem. Or at least try. Alright, so I've got a couple of problems with this door. One, the handle is starting to stick. So I've got a replacement for that coming. But two, look at that area here. See, the door has fallen. So there are a few ways to fix this. One is you can loosen the bolts that hold the hinge to the door. Loosen those up, raise the back side of the door, so the side that's not connected to the car. Raise that with a jack or get a buddy to lift that corner, and then tighten those bolts down as tight as you can, which I've done about 2 years ago, and the door is back to being saggy. The other way is you can put shims in, and this is the way that I'm going to be doing it right now. So you pull those bolts. So what I'm going to do is get the jack, raise the far side of the door, pull out the bolts, put a washer, 1mm washer in there, put the bolts back in, and then try it. If that doesn't work, then I go for two washers. Basically, you're just shimming the door, so the back end is going to drastically change. Well, I guess it's like this. It's going to drastically change, and that should fix the problem. The third way is I don't know if I'd say the right way, but the best way is to replace the hinges. One problem with the B5s, I guess you would say. You've got to remove the dash to get to the hinges. Let me show you. So the top hinge has a bolt in here, but there's also one behind the dash, so the dash has got to come out. The bottom hinge has one bolt on that far side, but once again, you've got to remove the kick plate to remove that bolt. That's why I'm not doing it. Let's see if I can get the right angle. Okay, so this is the hinge. So I'm going to pull those two bolts, put the washer behind there, between here and here, and put the bolts back in and see if we can get the door adjusted properly. Two different sizes. Best to have someone with you, because now trying to keep everything sturdy is going to be difficult. One washer or two? I don't know. Just gotta try it. So I hope you guys are learning something. Write down below if you've learned anything, or if this has helped you with anything that you've done. Sometimes it's nice to know that you're helping others, you know, in this car community. Okay, let's see if that did it. Down below, right now, whether you think that 1 mil was enough or do I need to do 2. My guess is nothing ever goes that easy, so it's probably 2. One mil was enough. Look at that. Sometimes things do go your way. Wow, that was quick and easy. Well, I hope that helped somebody out there. Like I said, there are 3 different ways of doing it. 3 different ways that I know of doing it. And this is the way I chose to do it. Now just time for that door handle. Thanks for watching Initial Speed. This was short and sweet. And like I said, I hope it helped you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune back in. Take care. Till next time. Initial Speed out. Hands. Hate wiping my hands on my pants. Hands on my pants. Hands on my pants. Hands on my pants.